how to add YouTube link to Instagram bio. In this video, I'm going to show you how to add a link to your YouTube channel or a YouTube video directly on your Instagram bio. And if this video helps you, please consider giving it a like and also subscribe to my channel because that really helps me out. And I'll also be showing a really cool link in bio that I created specifically for YouTubers. I actually created it for myself and it's completely free to use. There's no ads, nothing like that. So to get started, we first need to copy or get the link that goes to our YouTube channel. And you can do that by opening up the YouTube app, then selecting You in the bottom menu. Once here, select View Channel. And once you're on your YouTube channel, select the three dots in the top right, and then select Share. And then you could just select Copy Link. So now I can go back to Instagram. Once you're on Instagram, navigate to your profile and select Edit Profile. Now just go down to Links and just select Add Link. You can paste the URL that we got from YouTube, and then you can give it a title. I'm just going to say Visit My Channel. Now, if you want it to be your primary link, select Show as Primary, and then that's going to give you a quick preview of what it will look like, and then select Done. Now, when I go back to my profile, swipe it down to reload it, you can see that it now has the actual YouTube link right there. Now, if you want to try my link in bio called Vid in Bio, as you can see, this is a standard link in bio, but the difference is that it's going to show all of your YouTube videos and it's going to sort them and put them in this really cool grid by videos and shorts. So this allows anyone to go to the link in bio and actually see all the videos that you post on YouTube, as well as any other links that you want to, other social media, and custom links maybe to sponsors or things like that. You can also feature videos, and you can get this by just going to vidinbio.com. It's really easy to set up. You just put in your channel name and it'll automatically create everything for you. So that's how you add YouTube link to Instagram bio. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up and please consider subscribing to my channel.